About to hike to the waterfall. We have me, Mike, Kevin, and Eno. Hey. This is Kevin's first trip? Oh, backpacking virgin. Every time I start hiking, I always think I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, I should lock my car. Good to go. So let's take a look at this real quick. We're hiking from here to here. This is where the waterfall is. Crazy dog. We're about a quarter mile in. We're really only hiking for about 2 miles, so pretty short hike because I found a different route on the Hiking Upward website. So we actually parked closer to the waterfall, which is nice. Oh, we got the lens flare from the sunlight going on. So we're about a mile in and we've reached our first stream crossing. Kevin's going for it, dude. He's just like balls to the wall. All right, Mike, it's all you. Oh! River crossing number 2. What's up, girl? A little slippery over here, Mike. She making a boyfriend? This is one of the swimming holes. That's a swimming hole. Dude, this is sick. Yeah, she's there. We got a pretty good setup and it's not even noon yet, so. Eno's just being a good girl, hanging out. Good girl. How's it going? I'm Uriah.
I'm Jaden.
Nice to meet you.
Jimena.
Nice to meet you.
Colin, nice to meet you.
Uriah, nice to meet you. That's Kevin's dog, Eno. Yeah. Yeah, she's awesome. She's been running all over the place. That's higher than I thought, bro. Here Oh, look at how cute she is. Oh, woke her up. It's rolling now. And we're cooking some shoes for dinner. The time is now 7:30 a.m. Kevin and Eno fell asleep at 7. They had too much activity for one day. Me and Mike went to bed at like 9. Didn't get very cold at all. Probably mid-60s. So, very peaceful night. Got my coffee brewing here. Eno's still chilling. Our fire's still rolling from last night. We had these 3 giant logs. Sun's coming up. What's up? And here's our tripwires right here. Everyone's tripped on them. She had a piece of my apple fig bar yesterday, and now she just like, she's all about this. Can you sit? Good girl. Good morning for a hike. Alright, let's see if I can do this without busting my ass. Yeah, those rocks are a little wobbly. Alright. Made the first one. Good job. We're getting close to the trailhead. We probably only have a quarter mile left. Straight shot back. We're done with all of our creek crossings. No one fell in the creek.
My shoes are dry.
No wet shoes. All good. Our trip to St. Mary's Falls has come to an end. Good trip. Definitely would come back. Next time, Mike's bringing the drone.
I know.
We'll see you in the next adventure. Later.